Hello, welcome to QOMO. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to pair the QShare 20 wireless document camera receiver with the WanderCam Pro Document Camera. You can use this wireless document camera with any device, including your laptop, interactive display, or projector or TV. First, plug the USB cable, either USB-C to C or C to A, into the QShare 20 device. Next, connect the USB cable to your laptop or power source. Turn on your document camera and you'll see a light. Make sure your document camera is in AP pairing mode by clicking the bottom button. The LED light on your document camera will flash green. Click and hold the button on the QShare 20 and you will notice LED light turn blue. Then you will see it blink. When it's connected, both lights will turn solid green. Now your device is paired. The WanderCam Pro will now show up as a USB camera on your device and can be accessed through any software. QOMO has a free document camera software called QCamera, which works with Windows, Mac, and Chrome OS. You can find the download from our website. The camera supports up to 4K, but in USB mode, I usually bump it down to HD for a faster response time. To connect the wireless document camera to a display, all you need is a USB power source and an HDMI port. When the light turns solid green, you can adjust the resolution by clicking the button. The QShare 20 comes equipped with a magnet, so you can stick it to the back of your interactive display. Now you have full wireless range of your WanderCam Pro document camera. I hope you enjoy your QOMO document camera, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at www.qomo.com.